Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly the equipment I use for filming here on YouTube and other of my social media platforms. So the first we have is our ring light slash tripod, because I also use the tripod stand as well. This is a 14 inches ring light, and one of the reasons why I bought this, or one of the reasons why I purchased this ring light, is because you can use it when there is no power supply. Yeah. So the second stuff is power bank. Like I said about the ring light, you can use it when there is no power supply, meaning that if there is no electricity, you can just use your power bank. And this power bank is a 40,000 mAh power bank. I think I got it sometime last year. Yeah, April this year should make it exactly 1 year. I got this power bank. Wasn't so affordable. I think it was like 45k as at then. I don't know whether the price has reduced now in naira, by the way. So yeah, that's it. So next up, this is how I operate it. Plug in my ring light into the power bank, and yeah, just enjoy the light display. Now, why I recommend 14 inches ring light is this: you can also use this maybe as a background light. As we proceed in the video, you see like different colors that the ring light is giving. It's an RGB light also, so maybe you want to have that sort of studio look, that blue and red background light. You can use this to achieve it. Okay, so if you're looking for an affordable background light, this ring light can work for you. Okay, now why I also recommend you having a ring light as someone who is starting off on YouTube is this: maybe you work a 9 to 5, or the only time you are free to create your videos, to create content, is at night. And being a Nigerian, we understand what happens over here. There might not be light depending on your area anyways. My area used to have light though, but it's never steady, so I won't just put my egg in one basket. Okay, S- wouldn't give the excuse, oh, because there was no power supply, because of that I shouldn't shoot my content. I'm not giving into that, guys. So that is why I had to purchase this. Okay, so if you want an extra lightning, you can go for this. But if you're starting out and you do not have money for this, please make sure to use your natural lightning from your window. So next up on our list would be a microphone, guys. If you are starting off your content creation journey and you don't have money to like buy power bank, buy ring light, if you have the money, first off, and invest. Please invest in a microphone. Noise cancellation microphones like this one. Guys, when I had my old YouTube channel, sometimes when I'm creating my content, I'm just looking for a quiet place to stay, and the environment where we live in is not quiet. We have a lot of kids in the building, and children, they're always playing. So the noise will usually get into my videos. Then CapCut noise cancellation was not on Pro, so I would just shoot the video, then use CapCut noise cancellation, CapCut noise reduction, and reduce the noise. But it wasn't working anymore since CapCut went on Pro, so I had to go invest on a microphone. So next up is a laptop. If you've been following me, you will know that all these things I'm showing you guys is because I already have it. Like, I didn't need to go break the bank. This laptop has been with me since my final year. I got it for my final year project, and I'm a graduate anyway. So by the time we are done, I'm using it to invest in my video production. Okay, so if you don't have money for all these things, like you would see in one of the videos I uploaded, maybe I'll link it up here. If you want to upload your video to get more views, the right way to upload it using a desktop site. I'll show you how I did it there. So just in case you don't have a laptop, you can use your mobile phone to upload your videos, but on a desktop site to still get that views that you're looking for. Okay, so all we've presented here, ring light, power bank, your microphone, your laptop. So this is more like the total setup, what my setup looks like. Okay, so all those videos I've created so far, this is where I shoot them in my room. I have to remove the curtain, okay, because I need the lightning. I really need natural lighting is very good on your videos, guys. Most especially if your phone camera is not so good, you need all the natural light and any form of light you can use. Even if I'm shooting during the day, my ring light should be on. I'll be facing that window. Like the way that seat is, that is just how I stay to shoot my video. So next off on my list would be your mobile phone. I mean, how can you create a video without a phone or a camera? So this is budget friendly, right? Beginner friendly. So we are going with a mobile phone. I'm currently using an iPhone 12 Pro, but if you are an Android user, it's still very much okay. My first YouTube channel, I was using Androids, okay? So don't break the bank.